Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Axie Infinity is a computerized pet local area that consolidates the best of blockchain innovation with customary gaming. The outcome is a tomfoolery and habit-forming game that permits clients to procure genuine prizes. The idea of virtual pets isn't new. Be that as it may, what makes Axie Infinity special is its utilization of blockchain innovation. This permits players to possess their in-game resources as collectible tokens called Axies. These Axies can be exchanged, reared, or utilized fighting against different players. What is Axie Infinity, AXS? Axie Infinity is a computerized pet game that permits clients to raise, train, and battle their Axies, animal-like pets that can be collected from parts. The game elements a broad item shop where players can utilize the in-game money, AXS, to buy new parts for their Axies, as well as beauty care products and things to assist with ongoing interaction. There is likewise a battlegrounds mode where players can set their Axies in opposition to one another, thusly base battle. The game was sent off in mid-2018 by Synapse Games, and has since seen a consistent expansion in notoriety. In November 2018, the game presented a significant update called Genesis, which added another world guide, journey framework, and that's just the beginning. From that point forward, the game has kept on including new satisfied and includes an ordinary premise. In the event that you're searching for a tomfoolery and irresistible pet reenactment game with a lot of profundity and replay-ish team, make certain to look at Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity, AXS, Fundamental Analysis. The group behind Axie Infinity is extremely capable and has a demonstrated history in the gaming business. The game has been live for more than 2 years and has a huge local area of dynamic clients. Axie Infinity is one of the most famous games on the Ethereum blockchain and is reliably one of the top dApps by everyday dynamic clients, DAU. The game areas of strength for has, with a very much planned economy and different ways for clients to procure income. There are in excess of 500 unmistakable body parts accessible for these Axies, including amphibian, creature, bird, bug, plant, and reptile parts. Axies can have any mix of body parts, making them truly inconsistent and every now and again phenomenal and extraordinary. Parts from each sort class have 4 separate unique case scales: normal, interesting, very uncommon, and amazing. Each Axie may just vary a sum of multiple times to deal with the quantity of Axies, dissimilar to a few other blockchain-based battling and reproducing games. Proprietors of AXS tokens can before long stake their tokens to get reliable payouts. Holders of AXS will likewise have to cast a ballot and play to accept their prizes, rather than specific other stakeable resources. Axie Infinity Shards. Axie Infinity Shards, the biological system's own administration token, are another part, AXS. These are utilized to partake in huge administration choices and will give holders a say in how cash from the Axie community treasury is used. Non-fungible token, NFT. Each Axie is a non-fungible token, NFT, with extraordinary characteristics and capacities that can be utilized in 3v3 battle. The triumphant side acquires insight, exp, focuses, which are then applied to stepping up an Axie's details or advancing its real parts. These Axies can be crossed to make new, unique posterity that can be used or traded on the Axie market. AXS and SLP. Both AXS and SLP are Ethereum network tradable ERC20 tokens. The Axie Infinity environment utilizes 2 essential tokens, Smooth Love Potions, previously known as Small Love Potion, and Axie Infinity Shards, AXS, SLP. As the local administration badge of the stage, AXS holders take part in Axie's decentralized association and can impact how the stage creates, for instance, by deciding how the biological system asset ought to be disseminated or how depository cash ought to be utilized. Then again, SLP is gotten through gameplay and might be applied to the reproducing of youthful Axies. Administration. The decentralized administration model of Axie Infinity is expected to permit AXS partner cooperation in some stage improvement decisions. Axie Infinity, AXS, current price. Axie Infinity is as of now worth $14.10. AXS has moved minus 4.42% as of now with an exchanging volume of $102,836,170. Axie Infinity is as of now positioned 46 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,146,826,213. Axie Infinity, AXS, Price Prediction 2022. Axie Infinity, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. AXS. The AXS cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $21.16. Similarly as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $19.75 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. AXS is supposed to have a base worth of $16.92. Axie Infinity, AXS, Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, Axie Infinity AXS cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of AXS will before long outperform $35.26. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the AXS's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, AXS will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $28.21 and a typical exchanging cost of $31.03. Axie Infinity, AXS, Price Prediction 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $49.36 and AXS might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. AXS is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $45.13 and a low of $42.31 in 2024. Axie Infinity, AXS, Price Prediction 2025. Assuming Axie Infinity effectively supports market feeling among digital currency aficionados, the AXS coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, AXS will be green in 2025. The AXS is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $63.47. With a base cost of $56.42 and a typical cost of $59.24.